Ashamatama namanzi. All right. And now welcome to Hotel Nkosinathi Shabalala, sexual health specialist and family practitioner. Mshengo, welcome to Gagas.
Unjani Alex?
Right kwamba kahle.
Ngikhona futhi ngibhekele nefamily bawutaka FM.
So ibafana iyadlala tonight. Singa advisor in ukuthi mhlambe ithi qala igame yabo ube mhlambe usushayele into ka1 noma mhlambe you wait after igame ngoba iattention yabantu besilisa namhlanje sizothi mase isondela ku9 ngeke ulindele ukuthi izochama leyo ndoda leyo. So yini ongayiadvisor doc ukuthi mhlambe iround ishawe prior or after igame?
Ngikabili ke lana Alex. Kodwa ke ake ngisho ngalendlela abalinde abakwazi ukulinda. If kuthi singasivuni kulungile abalindi. Ngoba phela kusazoba khona abaculi, kusazoba khona izinto eziningi ama-performance, abantu abathanda imvelo, abathanda indalo. Abalinde. I mean, we are South Africa. It's our first game and we're in Mexico. So,
right.
Abalinda abakwazi ukulinda. But ke abakwazi ukwenza phela ngaphambili kokuba beye khona. Abenze.
All right.
Naloko futhi kuyayiletha injabulo. So it's going to calm the situation down. Bazokwazi ukuthi bafike lapha na ba relax. And again uyayazi ukuthi tense kanjani.
Sure.
Kungaqora umuntu oyedwa, kuyadepend ukuthi liplanify it. Uzovele phakame nje imizwa. So abakwazi ukwenza kodwa ke abakwazi ukulinda abalindi.
Ngathi ikore bafana nawe ube ukora ngala and dedicate one round to his squad. Sure. Doc, i-question evela namhlanje sikhuluma ngawo kwamamethaza amadoda mhlambe angakakhululeka ukwasho kubantu bawo and sokhuluma futhi namasign ekutheni no wena ulokhuthi lo muntu wakho akayenzi ushesha chame kanti inkinga akuyona psychological. On average a healthy normal round ithini duration yayo obviously sisebenza ngokuba average la doc ngiyazi ukuthi there can't be a specific set yokuthi kuzoba isikhathi esingaka but it lasts between how long?
Ukuze Alex ngibeke average I think kumele ngibeke icaca indaba yama minute ngoba ayifani and it's so unfair ukuthi ayifani. Abantu besilisa bona basenkingeni because bona balasta isikhathi sincane nomuntu wesifazane. Ngiyangibeka lento ukuthi umuntu wesifazane uyakwazi ukuthi afike mhlambe kuthondaba kathathu or more than 3 times within actually one round depending of course on ukuthi umuntu wesilisa ulasta isikhathi nakanani. So indaba ye-ejaculation specifically with regards to umuntu wesilisa yes iyayithinta psychology but at the same time ithinta nanokwenza ke sekufana nokuthi umuntu uyiphilisa ngandlela yiphiyona zikhona yini izifo ezimbambile kukhona yini yena akwenzayo mhlambe kanje ngobhema insangu kanje ngophuza utshwala. So zonke lezo zinto they matter but with regards to isikhathi Alex umuntu wesilisa yena kuyake kuthathe 5 to 8 minutes ukuthi achithe whether uyamasturbate whether uwenza ucansi iyona nje seke siyibekele i-average leyo kanti umuntu wesifazane yena kuyake kuthathe 11 to 15 minutes ukuthi aqhame you know. So masibuka ke vele ke ucansi siyake sibuke ukuthi iziphi zona izinto esingazenza ukuze selekela abantu ukuthi ba understand ucansi ukuthi uyini. So lento yokuthi umuntu wesilisa ushesha achithe iyakwazi ukugwemeka ngokuthi sifundisane. Indaba ye foreplay ibaleke kakhulu in that instance. Ngoba manje indaba ye-foreplay iyamthintilizer iyamstimulate umuntu wesifazane imenza ukuthi abe simeni sokuthi abe manzi abe wet akwazi ukulindela ukuthi angenwe you know if ukuthi kuya kumtavazo. So zonke lezo zinto lezo Alex esihlathi ikhuluma seyifika ke lana ke ekuthini kwenzakalani if ukuthi umuntu wesilisa uthi uyashesha ukukhama noma umuntu wesifazane uyakhala ukuthi umuntu wesilisa uyashesha ukukhama.
All right. It's 12 minutes after 7. Uhlelo iSex Indaba on Gagas is not for ingane. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngazo zonke inkinga ethinta abantu besilisa nanokubheka lezo ke ezibathinta ngesimo sabo somqondo. All right, because uJune iyona leyo i-men's mental health awareness month. Wait doc. The assumption yileyo ukuthi even women want to last longer. Ngibuyisela to what you said earlier. Bakhona abantu besifazane who would prefer lo 2 minutes or less uthola ukuthi nje awudingi ukuthi uzodonsa isikhathi eside ngesikhathi wena as umuntu wesilisa usudonsa isikhathi ukuchama akasekho comfortable usevele waneliseka uhlobo njani lolo?
Ikhona Alex i-element of preference ikhona ukuthi umuntu wesifazane athi no mina ngi-right in around day 1 noma ngathiwa mhlawumbe umuntu wesilisa ulasta 2 minutes ngizokwazi mina ukuthi ngenze ukuthi ngifike kuthondaba ikhona lo element But majority of abantu besifazane, of course, they wouldn't prefer 2 minutes. But ke ake sibuke nangalendlela Alex ukuthi ikhono features in this. Ngoba ungakwazi ngempela ukumfikisa umuntu wesifazane kubuthondaba within 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And that doesn't mean ukuthi wenele. And that doesn't mean ukuthi wena wenele as umuntu wesilisa. So if ukuthi umuntu wesilisa and uyabona ngempela ukuthi you are struggling ukuthi ufike even ku-minute noma ufike even ku-5 minutes.
Yeah.
Then lapho ke sekunenkinga ngoba phela usune premature ejaculation. And ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu besilisa bayake bacabanga ukuthi no ipipi liyazenzela.
Yeah.
Nawe uyakwazi ukufundisa ingqondo, uyakwazi ukufundisa umzimba ukuthi ukwazi ukuyibamba. If ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza ucansi kunama techniques okwazi ukwafunda nawe as umuntu wesilisa as usenda.
Yeah. So
ufika ezithondaba.
Yeah, you skipped one part. You said uyakwazi ukufundisa ingqondo, you said uyakwazi ukufundisa umzimba, uyakwazi nokufundisa ipipi ukuthi lingasheshe lichame. Ne nalungalishiyi ngaphandle.
Ngihlale ngalishiyi ngaphandle Alex ngoba if ukuthi uyabuka vele licontrolwa yini ipipi, licontrolwa ingqondo nenhliziyo.
Yeah.
Now if ukuthi uyayistimulate ingqondo yakho ngento yathizeni and if ukuthi uyayifundisa ukuthi bamba la.
Yeah.
Yakho iyakwazi ukwelekelela kuleso simo leso sokuthi ufike kuthondaba. Ngizwa ngam Alex bazongena abantu besilisa bakutshene ama techniques abafundayo abanye bayaminga.
Yeah.
Abanye bavele basusa ingqondo yabo la bakhona ukuze bengasheshi bafike kuthondaba.
Okay.
Abanye bavele babuka ukuthi okay ngizongena ngithi ngiyafenda bese ngiyaphuma fast ukuze ngingakwazi ukuthi ngifike kuthondaba bese ngithatha i-break bese ngiyaqhubeka.
Okay.
So zonke lezo zinto lezo ama techniques but enye engiyisabayo Alex esazokhuluma ngayo indaba yokuthi ukhona izinto zokugciba kanje ukuthi umuntu osisemayisebenza ikhuthazi.
Yeah.
Ikhuthazi ziyagqiba rather than ukuthi ilungise inkinga. So ngisho ukuthi kubantu besilisa uma ngempela ubone ukuthi kukhona inkinga and awusakwazi ukusimela isimo ngaphandle kokuthi usebenzise anything then ke lapho ke sekumele usukumele indaba yakho ubona
nento ubone
ukuthi kwenzakalani.
All right. The lines are open now. Ungathumela i-voice note ku 06383999959 ngiyasheshisa yini 06383999959, right? And then ungafona ku 0861596596 ungesabi man yiba nesibindi phone. This is a platform created for you. Unenkinga ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe ikweletu zakho zenza ukuthi ungaperform kahle in bed, kumbe mhlambe ne treatment oyidlayo, kumbe mhlambe umuntu wakho ucabanga ukuthi uhlala wenza ama excuse or uzumbalekele because we've had stories la uthola konti out ize igcine sibeka ama excuses mase kufanele ukuthi kufike endlini yonke into yenzeka kahle, a date umbona but mase kuthi kufanele afike then bese kuyabalekwa. Or wena umuntu wesifazane, do you think ukuthi uyasola ama signs athile ukuthi lokhu kungaphezulu kokuthi lo muntu une sexual dysfunction? Call us now ku 0861596596. We are live on Facebook. Ipage let's Indaba with Alex ungasibuka khona, and we are on TikTok. Yeah, if you rush nje uya TikTok now uzosibona. I-question yakho ungayithumela khona as well. Once usungene ku TikTok Indaba, tap the screen.
Sawona Alex. Nawe dokotela. Cha kunenkinga la guys, angazi noma ngingalithola nosizo. Mina kunenkinga ewani mengabe ngiheva isex nomuntu wesifazane ngisuke nginayo ngaloso sikhathi. Mase kumele ngifike kuvuthondaba. Inkinga yami iqala la mengabe sekumele ngicame. Ngivele ngicabanga i-ex yami yangabo 2020. Ex yami sahlukana naye ngabo 2020 kodwa mengithiwa nje ngihave umuntu sex nje nomuntu wesifazane nginalo inkinga nje mase kumele ngichame kubona wonke umuntu engingathalana naye nginale inkinga ukuthi ngivele ngicabange lo yamuntu loya kumane ngifika kuvuthondaba angazi ukuthi inkinga yami ila because ngize ngifike ukuthi gcina sengibhoreka nje ukuhave sex nomuntu wesifazane ukuthi ngiyabhoreka nje manje ukuze ngifike kuvuthondaba ngize ngicabange lo yamuntu kumane ngiba grand. Ngiyacela mhlawumbe ukuthi ngalithola nosizo mhlawumbe lapho ngakwazi nokusizakala. Uthamsanqa Mwasungule Maritzburg esigodini sakwaDindi.
Sure Thami, siyabonga sikuzwile. Nansi inkinga uba nenkinga yokuthi kuzachame kufanele acabanga uex wakhe and lento yenzeka njalo njalo. Uzoyimisa kanjani le ndaba doc, kwenzekani?
Alex yazi kunento I think kwawena uyaya iyakibuza kakhulu abantu sebebuza abantu besifazane are you over your ex? It carries so much weight ukuthi abantu understand because of team.
Yeah.
Now if umuntu wesilisa ebuza leyo nto nawe as umuntu wesifazane ngiyacela ukuthi naye umbuze ukuthi are you over your ex ngoba i-psychology eyawo wonke umuntu. I mean, we have ama-specialists that deal with psychology, ama-psychiatrists, we have ama-psychologists asupporta wona ama-psychiatrists. So i-psychology yomuntu wesilisa nayo ihambe ilimale ikuthi akadili nenkinga. Now ubhuti lana uyambona ukuthi ubambekile ufasekile because yena ngokwakhe uyitshena ukuthi akana choice akakwazi ukuphuma la khona. Kanti kumele ngabe ucabanga indlela. So kumele abukene ukuthi yena as umuntu wesilisa yini ukuphelela kulo muntu uyakwazi ukukhuluma and ambonise lo muntu and lo muntu alalele ukuthi yena uthi ngoba ngeke and sisenkingeni because abantu abaningi inkinga Alex i-communication when it comes to psychology siyacindezelwa abantu besilisa kuthiwa umuntu wesilisa kumele afele ngaphakathi umuntu wesilisa kumele angakhali. So kulolu hlelo lwethu sizama ukuyiqeda leyo nto. Abantu besilisa kumele bakhombise nabo ukuthi balimala ngandlela yiphi so that even umthetho uzobona ukuthi nabo abantu besilisa balimala. I-GBV ayikho limited to i-gender A1 kuphela. It's all genders.
Yeah.
So yonke leyo nto kumele si-understand Alex.
Sure. Ngiyakuthokozela Mkhize now from eNewtown A. Isenanda la Thokozile angithi?
Yebo ikhona phela.
Sikumukela sisi, welcome to Indaba on Kakasi.
Ngiyabonga mina.
Sure. Sikulalele ma.
Aha. Ngithi mina la ngicela ukubuza singabe kuyinto right na. Umuntu wami siyakwazi ukudlala sidlale bona iside nje isikhathi ezibe neshow ukuthi hayi sengi right mina. Bese yaqeda ke. Kokulandelayo sizodlala sidlale aze sibe sithi isikhathi hlaphe isikhathi leso-2 hayeke. Aphumule athi asiphumula aphinda abuyele kube side isikhathi ngize ngicela iqeda phela. Yabona la iqeda khona ubone ukuthi ungathi uyafa ngathi kuyaphela nje ngayo la leside isikhathi. Ngizibuza sinekhona lento esebenzisayo athi cha isipho indlela ukwenzeka ngayo ngathi ngikhonto isebenzisa ngabe akukho kubuhlungu athi cha. Kodwa futhi mase ufuna ukuphinda ubuyele futhi uzophinda ubuyele enze okufanayo futhi indlela adonsa ngayo nendlela asuke ezokwazi ukubamba ngakho abuyele aphume iyangithusa ukuthi ukwazi kanjani le age akuyona 55 years almost 55 ngisho njalo kodwa ngikwazi ukwenza leyo nto ngiyibuza ukuthi lo muntu usakangisebenzise poison yabona manje ngizothola ukuthi ngabe kuyinto right ithini into
Is this something normal or in common, Doc?
Kukabili Alex in this case. Yes, umama angisoli mina. Ngiyake ngithi mangizama ukukhuluma nabantu lokusayida lodwa. Uyakhala impela uyasho ukuthi uyasola ukuthi ngenza ukuthi ubaba ukuyisebenzisa. So ubaba yena manje ngiziphumela obala asizukwazi vele womama ukuthi ukhona yena kusebenzayo noma cha. But ke ake sibuke nalento yokuthi umuntu wesilisa kuya ngokuthi ebephatha kanjani ebusheni bakhe kuya ngokuthi ukhule kanjani wahlangabezana nazizona izimo ube nawo nama sexually transmitted infections ezekhula and njengamanje uyiphethe kanjani njengoba ena 55 akusiyena umuntu engathi mdala loyo mama. Yes, inkinga ziyaqala after the age of 50 but bakhona abantu besilisa abasana 70 abasakwazi ukulenza uqanji. So lana kuya ngempela ngokuthi wena ubona ngandlela yipi in terms of ukuthi unilimaza kangakanani lokhu okwenzakalayo ngoba if ukuthi uyayisebenzisa ikhuthazi then akusiyona ngempela into engathi i-right leyo Alex and akusiyona into enormal leyo ngoba manje kufanele ukuthi phela umama ulwisana nento unnatural. So ubaba usebenzisa ikhuthazi umama kumele amele isimo seyikhuthazi. So ubaba uyena umuntu ongasikhulula la aphumela obala asho ukuthi kukhona yena kusebenzisayo okanye ngempela yena ngokwakhe uright yini ngokwempilo.
Ngoba ekosiyabonje kwezinye ikhathi nje ngizumisa msosi besihambela nje mase ngithi asisi ukuyothi kancane yabo sithola indawo nje sisi nendawo yethu esijwayele ukuyisebenzisa asisi ukuthi kancane athi hawu ngithi yabo ngenzela ukumzuma ngibothi izokwenzeka kanjena still uyakhona ukuyenza. Uyakhona ukuyenza noma yini ngisho ngizozumisa nje noma thi ubebuye ngaleso sikhathi emsebenzini esazobuyela ngithi still uzokhona manje ngivele ngidideke ukuthi kanjani ngoba ngiyitshela ukuthi kule age yakhe mhlawumbe sengabe sikuthe ukuthi
yeah Doc.
No, ngiyabuza mama, and ilento engisho ukuthi ngenza ngempela mama ukuthi uyayisebenzisa ikhuthaze okanye ngempela ubaba uyakuthanda. So thina ke siyake silicaba ukuthanda umuntu wakho mawukuthi uyakubona o mawukuthi mhlambe uzoya emsebenzini akafuna ukuthi mhlambe kufika emsebenzini wenze something uyakafuna ukuphelela kwena kuqala before kube ukuthi uyala yakhona. So ilawo ma possibilities awu2 engawubeka phambili, otherwise we can explore and sibone ngempela ukuthi inkingi mawukuthi khona inkingi.
Okay, so khona ishilo la sisi uthena enene nengoja yenu yabo enishaya kuyona makhwekhe ikuphi lo ngoje le mhlambe sehlathini kanje ikuphi?
No indawo enhleka
oh indawo nje enhle decent nje
emnandi nje enhle kabe pholile yebo.
Okay.
So ngifuna ukuthi sishintshe indawo yabo.
Yeah, we've spoken about that on this show ukuthi indawo ingabe predictable.
Yebo ngoba ngibalekela lento ukuthi sijwayelane.
Yes.
Angifuni ngisuke ngithi ngenza lokho.
Right, siyabonga kakhulu sesiyezwa, and then ngasigcineni kodwa uzoshare ama numbers as well. Siyabonga kakhulu. And then ngizothatha uJabulani is calling us. Jabulani Zulu uthukela. Sawona Jabulani?
Ngiyaphila baba.
Siyaphila wena njani?
Ngikhona nathi baba. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ni right nani.
Right mfethu ungabangeni nje kwindaba yakho let me remind you ukuthi lolu hlelo is not for ingane. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngeinkinga zomdavazo ezithinta amadoda okunye kwakho izinto mhlambe ezithinta isimo somqondo sabo. So that's what we are discussing namhlanje nanoma yini, but namuntu esifazana ungangena njengoba nje usisi kade fonile ekhuluma ngomuntu wakhe. Yebo ndaba zethu.
Unfortunately mfethu angibangi ngisamuzwa usisi but ebengafisa nje mfethu ukugraze kahle kwindaba ukuthi afethu bengifisa ukuthi sike siyibuke lento le nanokuthi nje ngoba kuyinyanga yabantu besilisa yabo sike sibheke nanokuthi thina njengamadoda because in most cases ngiyengibone ngazuthi isikhathi esiningi sisinake ukuthi sisifaka kanjani umuntu osifazane, we understand. So ngiyengifisa ukuthi nathi siyamadoda nje kulenyanga sikusebenzise lokho ukuthi thina kahle ikuphi okusigculisayo nathi understand nabo labo abantu besifazane labo belifaka uvo labo phela sizo ukuthi kahle ilapha phela kufanele sibathinte khona ukuthi athe nesizo ukuthi kahle senze njani ikuphi la silekha khona, we understand ukuthi ikuphi la esenza khona wrong khona, uyabona noma lapho we understand mfowethu because uhlelo ngiyalilandela ngazo zonke isikhathi kodwa ngiyengifisa ukuthi ngi-understand nathi ukuthi ngoba kuhlezi kungathi ama-challenges esikhathi esiningi aqhamuka kubantu besilisa ezini ukuthi abantu besifazane khona la abangazi khona la esilekha khona thina siyamadoda but
uyazi mfethu if ngase ngitshele yabona mongasuye nje ku-app yaGagasi u-August amatopic ethu wonke last year aka-August akhuluma about this amatopic ehlukahlukene but they respond to that and namadoda futhi amanye eyikhulumela and then noDoc nawe abanikeza impendulo. So ma wena ungasuye nje kwi-app yaGagasi ufike usearche amatopic wonke aka-August azobe ekhuluma ngazo lezi zinto. Doc nansi concern lana ivela kuMageba ungamphendula?
Ngiyamphendula impela uMageba. uMageba ngiyabonga ukuthi uyasukuma Alex. Siyake singawatholi ngempela ama-platform Mageba ukuthi sike sikhulume. So lento erayizayo ibalekile and ngiyazi ukuthi umphathi izwile. In terms of ukukhuluma kwabantu besilisa Alex ngiyanibele sibanikeze nabo i-platform. Uyambona Mageba ukuthi njengamanje ufuna ukwazi ukuthi iziphi bona inkinga ezabantu besilisa abanama shortcomings kuzona.
Yes.
And the only way we can know that is by communicating. So ulibeka phambili iphuzu lokucommunicate. But ke ngisacela umcorrecta kancane uMageba. Mageba akusiyona i-men's month uJune. uJune in men's mental health month. I-men's month uJuly. And ngizalwa ke ngoJuly, so ingakho ngiyazi impela i-men's month and isikhathi esiningi ngiyake ngenza umsebenzi kakhulu amadoda ngoJuly. So uJuly men's month ila kumele sifocus khona impela emadodeni, but njengamanje kumele sifocus engqondweni yamadoda ukuthi amadoda under yiphana inindezo when it comes to mental health. Iloko kuphela alekuse ekade ngifuna ukucorrecta kona Mageba.
Sure. All right, siyaqhubeka indaba on Gagasi FM and sizoyidosa nje ishow yethu kuzoshaya ke u8 and 0861 596 596 and namhlanje sikhuluma nje about amadoda ne well-being yabo isimo sawo somqondo nokuthi affecteka kanjani kwezomdavazo. Lo hlelo uzolithola i-podcast yalo ulalele nje kahle kwi-app and previous shows as well as i-podcast moya nje ku Gagasi FM app.
Sawubona Alex no Doc. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi i-testosterone iyakwazi yini ukuthi ikunyuse ilibido yomuntu wesilisa uma usulengaza ukuthi imizwa yakho yokulangazelela ucansi iphansi i-low libido, i-testosterone iyakwazi yini ukuthi inyuse if uzo check up and then utholeke nje ama dose ngendlela efanele?
Mshengo
ukhuluma Alex ne hormone that governs abantu besilisa. Amabhola amabili kumuntu wesilisa ahlala ekhwameni and yonke leyo complex leyo sibiza ama-send. So amabhola akhanda izinto eziyi-2, akhanda isidoda which is ama-sperms lawa esimithisa ngawo, siyabantu besilisa, bese akhanda ubudoda i-testosterone. I-hormone leyo that governs ukuthi umuntu wesilisa uzoba nentshebe, umuntu wesilisa ngeke abe namabele, ngeke abe nesibeletho,
yes,
uzoba ney'bele,
yes,
and then uzoba masculine. So that is i-hormone le akhuluma ngayo, i-testosterone. Ngiyayizwa ivoice yakhe Alex ukuthi ithanda uba high pitched, so ngiya-understand ukuthi indaba ekhuluma i-testosterone. Now i-testosterone yona iyashaya ngendlela ey'ningi because siyake sibuke i-free testosterone eseculateayo nje esikwazi ukuyisebenzisa, bese sibuka i-bound. Now i-bounda kwinto ekuthiwa i-sex globulin hormone, and leyo nto because abantu abanemkhaba i-sex hormone iyaphakama, and if ukuthi i-bound i-testosterone we-exercise. So phezu kwalokho-ke futhi-ke testosterone ephansi, then ucansi be-affecteka because even inkanyuko iyangena lapha. Ilapha umuntu wesilisa Alex ukuthi ugqozi nofuqefuqe in terms of ukuthi umuntu wesifazane umbuka ngendlela yiphi,
yeah,
ilele exactly laphana kwi-testosterone. So sometimes siyake sithole iy'nkinga la uzothola ukuthi phansi khona i-testosterone, sithole futhi iy'nkinga la uthola ukuthi phezulu. So i-normal value yayo is sitting between 180 to 739. But ngiyayithi mina komuntu ongaphansi ka-55 years old kumele i-testosterone yakhe ibe ngaphezu ka-250. That will show me as udokotela ukuthi amabhola ayasebenza akhanda testosterone. Otherwise kuyamele sibheke ukuthi yini-ke manje lena esiyehlisayo esizama ukuyishonisa phansi, bese siyabuka ukuthi sinamenzelani komuntu.
Okay. Okay, nokuyezwakala indaba on Gagasi, and then ngikuMandisa Gutsha from Pretoria. Mandisa, welcome to Gagasi.
Thank you, but Alex Lizani.
Siphilile kunjani kwena?
Ngiyaphila.
Mina ngathi usulele nje eli kanjena mfethu, it's only 20 to 8, yeah? Awulele.
Bantu basePitori.
Oh, okay. All right. Sure, Mandisa.
Yes. So uvulamo with Alex in terms of the topic on namhlanje is that mental health for me is not mental health, psychological health is not exclusively for a men's issue or a woman's issue. It's a human issue. And the focus for Abatina as humans is that or the factors that affect or the triggering that affects a person's deterioration and the well-being of a human. Once as females, as males, as he and she, and all theirs, sihlanganele silwe imbangela yokuthi yini yenza ukuthi well-being yethu yethu siqala on the right note.
Doc, ngam-engage nanguMandisa.
Ngam-engage Mandisa. Mhlawumbe uMandisa angizwanga kahle ngokuphelele khona la kade break akhona. But I think uMandisa is talking about ama-fear ukuthi sikhula ngendlela yiphi and izibona izinto ecologically. Mandisa, my specialty siqala from childhood, siye kwi-puberty, siye kwi-adolescence, siye kwi-adulthood, and then bese siya kwi-old age. So if ubuka lapho ama-hormones akho wena as umuntu in terms of ukuthi yini okumele yenzeke. So in adolescence uyaqala lapho uyahluma amabele, uyaqala lapho udevelop structure ngosifazane nomuntu wesilisa-ke it is there. And if it's developed as a structure la umuntu wesilisa ingqondo yakhe uma kuwukuthi idevelophe ngokuphelele uzosibona istructure sakho abone ukuthi asifani nesakhe and then attraction develop lapho. So if ukhuluma psychology sibuka ngempela ekutheni wena ngokwakho
Doc, I'm going to ask you to move just slightly eceleni yesishaya i-network la ukhona mungasuthi ukugudluka nje kancane ngesikhathi uDoc esazama ukuthola isport. I think maybe I know why usho kanje Mandisa when I think usijoyine sesiphakathi, right?
Yes.
Ifocus yethu today is angithi siba nama topic ehlukene every Thursday. So le namhlanje specifically ibidila ke with abantu besilisa and how ama mental issues abo agcina se affecta umdavazo. Hence you would have had one lady efona ngomuntu wakhe ezama ukucabanga ukuthi mhlambe usebenzisa ikhuthazi uyamfihlela yini. Then there was another guy ekhuluma also about ukuthi libido and all of that. So when wacabanga ukuthi mhlambe we saying ukuthi all mental health issues athinta abantu besilisa kuphela. No, it's because itopic yethu namhlanje ibhekelela abantu besilisa.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, wena akekho mhlawumbe umuntu wakho mhlawumbe wesilisa ayikho into ofuna ukumbuzela yona kanje or share ekutheni mawusuku ngamtholi kahle ukuze igame yakhe ibe up lapha kumdavazo uma kukhona mhlawumbe izinto ezimsindayo psychologically udila kanjani nayo ngeke ngikudedele ungasashongo njalo.
I think a doctor can maybe touch on the anxiety because I feel like a lot of the men that I struggle over nabo baba ne-anxiety and lapha ya bengasebenzi. I'm not sure ukuthi bangakanani but engike ngahleka nabo.
Yeah.
Ngoba khona anxiety and then it affects izinto zalapha yanezani.
Sure. Doc, how anxiety affects performance yamadoda nangumandisi?
It affects kakhulu Alex. Ngeke ngibuke even amaphoyisa. Ngikhuluma nje ngawo wonke jikelele. Whether it's SAPS, whether it's Metro, the things they face, the things that they encounter in their own field. And akusuka kuphela baningi abanye abantu odokotela nje for instance kumele bahlinze abantu bavuke izisu abantu kumele bawone igazi yonke leyo nto it does affect Alex ukuthi unomuntu ke wena onjani empilweni if kuwukuthi asisushadile unkosikazi wakho ukusupporta ngandlela yiphi do they really understand what you say. So lezo zinto lezo zibalulekile because njengamanje iyashintsha even i-quota system. Lezi zinto eyinzima bezenziwa abantu besilisa now sekuyademanda even abantu besifazane now they are real type kanti abantu besilisa they've been so much. Ekumele sikwenze ukubambisana abantu besifazane ukubambisana.
Okay, no siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you Mandisa. It's 1945 indaba on Kakasi siqhubeka namhlanje. Uhlelo ke lethu elizodonza until 8. Alright, ile indaba just to remind you ukuthi mawufuna lolu hlelo uzolithola i-podcast yalo mawuya kwi-app yakakasi usearch nje under indaba ufike ungene kwi-app uyi-download then usearch i-channel ebizwa ukuthi indaba and then uzothola ke wonke lama shows including this one uzokwazi ukuyilalela. Into enhle about this is mhlambe you may not have anything to say right now but you know someone, a family member, a colleague, someone close to you emsebenzini or umuntu wakho umforwardele i-link yale show khona ezokwazi ukuyilalela asizakale.
Sanibonani ekakasini ngisacela ukuba u-anonymous but mina nginenkinga lapho if umuntu wakho into yakhe iwa ingaphakathi uyayifeel ukuthi iyawo kusuke kwenzakalani sokuthi akakufeel noma ubani.
Sikuzwile. Kusuke kwenzekani Doc? Kusuke ukuthi akakufeel, kusuke kwenzekani kuyena? Nansi question.
No, that's erectile dysfunction, Alex. Ngiyafisa ukuthi siqale le ndaba yokufilana. Yes, iyafeatureisha in every do when it comes to mdavazo. But ngempela if lokho ngaphakathi and iyawa induku then erectile dysfunction can either be psychological, it can be physical, it can be biological. Ziningi izinto ekumele siyibuke. So psychology features exactly in this as well, Alex. Umuntu wesilisa ngaphakathi kumuntu wesifazane usuke efila ini usuke ecabanga ini usuke ezwa ini. So naye umuntu wesilisa uma ngizohlala naye phansi I look at all those aspects. I don't just look at the physical aspect ukuthi how induku yaqina umuntu wesilisa uyahalela nje kuphela ngiyangibuka ukuthi yena uzizwa kanjani uya-enjoya yini umtavazo ngoba kwesinye isikhathi kuyalahleka konke Alex with regards to psychology esineminyaka.
Yeah. All right. Siyabonga. I hope uphendulekile sis.
Angibingelele Alex noDoc. Ngokuba anonymous. Mina ngifisa ukuza lana ukuthi ukuba ne-stress noma ukuba kwingcindezi kunamuphi umthelela kowesilisa ekusebenzeni kwento yakhe like kuyayenza yini ekuvukeni kwayo ingaqini ngokwanele. Ngizocela nje icaciseleka lapho noma mhlawumbe kusekezinye zeyinkinga nje ebhekene nazo and usizakala kanjani ke simini sikanjalo. Ngiyabonga mina.
All right. No izwakele sis. All right. Doc.
Nizoba very psychological, Alex. I'm given the opportunity of being psychological today. But if ubuka umuntu wesilisa, Alex, usurvivor under ingcindezi isikhathi esiningi. So leyo nto leyo iraiser into ekuthiwa cortisol, iraiser ama-stress levels. Now ama-stress levels kuya ngokuthi ingqondo yakho adapta kanjani. Uku-adapta kwengqondo kunento ekuthiwa i-auto-regulation. Siyake sithi sometimes ingqondo iyakwazi ukusurvive under i-BP ephezulu whereas umzimba ungakayiboni leyo BP ukuthi phezulu. So ingqondo ibaluleke kakhulu ngoba mase icwaninga as much as senza konke esikwenzayo kuyakumele senze even ama-scan sibone ngempela ukuthi ingqondo yakho as umuntu ifunctiona ngendlela e-right yini. Isecreta ama-hormones, ishooter ama-impulses ngendlela e-right yini. Baning Alex abantu who are suffering even from epilepsy, and it's unfortunate. Abantu besilisa, and it's mainly because ba under ingcindezi ye-stress. So lento khuluma ngayo ntokazi indaba ye-stress yomuntu wesilisa. If uzo-survive under i-stress isikhathi esiningi, ugcina usuba impulsive, and you are labeled as umuntu ongakwazi ukuyibamba. Kanti inkinga manje awusezwa wena ngokwakho ngemizwa ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yakho usuvele ufayele. So umuntu wesilisa uma ngempela simhlalisa phansi baze bakhale Alex abanye ngize ngisho kubona ukuthi nokhala khipha yonke into okumele uyikhiphe merely because psychology iyona sometimes ngisizayo Alex ukuthi ngibasiza abantu besilisa. So ngiyambonga intokazi ukuthi ubuze ne-stress.
Sure.
So i-stress abanye abantu besifazane bayitshela ukuthi hayi umuntu wesilisa uyabaleka ukuthi ukhathele kanti into enzima i-intense kakhulu Alex. Yeah.
Sure. All right. Indaba unkakasi ngiyahlelo nawe ngiya eMandeni ngithatha uTalente Embatha. Sabona Talente?
Yebo sinjani?
Siyaphila mfethu siyakumukela kwekakasi.
Bengicela ubuza Doc la unyaka wesithathu lo hamba manje uqonde nenhlambe nesimo somqondo ngoba ngiyafika kuvuthondana ngenza umdavazo but istem asphumi at all. So unyaka wesithathu.
Okay, imanje na mfethu ngicela uyivalele uradio before sikunikeze response. So you saying ukuthi uyafika kuvuthondaba kodwa awaphuma ama spams?
Ayaphumi. The only thing iphumayo kuba icena nje.
Oh. All right. Imanje lo ngemthiya Doc?
Alex ngizwe kahle. Icena I think it's become.
Yes.
Uphuma nje uketshezi lona. And ngiyamuza impela because if anaphuma ama-spam kuyangimele sibuke ukuthi avimbeka kuphi. So ama-spam ane-pathway njengoba ngishilo ngadabile eqaleni ama-spam akhanda amabhola. So amabhola ahlala laphana ezansi ekhwameni zakhona kuthiwa ama-send masekuphelele bese bona akhanda wona ama-spam kumele angene idinis esikhwameni sawo ahlale bese kuba ukuthi ayaphuma masekuphuma. Mayephuma angena kwi-sperm duct atravel up bese uyima engena la ongena ipayipi leli okuphuma khona umchamo kanye. So kumele siyibuke yonke Alex ukuthi kukhona indaba indaba khona isikhathi esiningi avimbela before into ekuthiwa i-prostate. Now i-prostate i-gland etholakala just after isinye ila kuhlala khona umchamo bese kuvula ipayipi through the center of the prostate. So sometimes the prostate kuyakwenzeka inkinga ikhukhumale bese icindezelwe ipayipi mawuthi aphuma ama-sperm aphuma bese ngena esinyeni mhlawumbe umuntu wesilisa kwesinye isikhathi mayichama ethi mayiqeda kuchama kuphuma ama-sperm emva kokuchama kwakhe so zonke izibheke i-retrograde ejaculation yakhuluma ngayo akayiboni imbewu iyaphuma impene kodwa akayiboni imbewu so kumele sibuke ngempela ukuthi ikuphi la izinto akakhona khona sizokwazi ukumelekelela ubuqili
talente udinga udokotela mfethu just ukuthi ayibuke njengoba echaza udoc ukuthi abuke indaba yakho uyisukumele step saqala isona lesokuthi ufonile so uhambe ubona udokotela ngiHarry Smith now Thabile Khoza welcome to Gagasi.
Hi Alex, hi Dr. Nijani.
So right kunjani ku?
I'm good. Firstly, I'd like to give Mandisa. She was talking about mental health and the importance of it. And to echo on Amazlawa Agatewasho, it's very important. If there's one thing that I've realized, okay, I'm dating a 2-minute guy. But what happened is we had the conversation after Sibon, okay, no. So it took ukuthi si communicate and then we will seek usizo. Thereafter we went to the doctor. It meant talking to psychologists, you know, and it wasn't just a 1-minute thing, which is over time. And now just to so right as much as but then we've learned how do we, you know, work with it. We as villages begele, we try, we work on it. I suck his dick, he comes down on me, ivuke into ime, siqhubeke nomsebenzi. And get sebenzela lokho, it's not just ukuthi I say self-esteem yakhe vele ibilimele kakhulu umebona ukuthi he's not performing well, but then thereafter after seeking help I think asebenzela kakhulu. So just to add DJ
you have no idea ukuthi usuvuselela abantu abaningi kangakanani ukuthi much as this show will have an expert asho ukuthi kwenzekani, but when you were talking from experience we appreciate that and siyanibongela doc nangu Thabile.
And uThabile ngiyambongela nami Alex kakhulu. Uyabona ukuthi wesekela indaba ye-health ukuthi kumele uyinake uyibuke ukuthi wena kwenzakala ngawe, uyasho ukuthi bayile impela for psychology, bayile for therapy, bazamile ama-interventions and now sekasebenza. Thabile angondile ukukhuluma uqale kabuhlungu ntokazi uthe you are dating a 2-minute man. Let us avoid labeling each other. Avoid okwangempela uyabona futhi nje ungichazile ngoba ungenile washo ukuthi Mandisa wenzeni yabo ichaze indlela akhulume ngayo. Now if we're going to label each other uzothola ukuthi njengamanje sekulungisile behind closed doors, uyakhuluma nomuntu wakho and usiyabona ukuthi ukumbiza ngamagama is not actually working. Now if you want to come onto such a platform, if azozwa yena uzobuyela back to erectile dysfunction. If umbiza ngo 2 minutes in front of millions of people, because Gagasi FM is listened by a lot of people. So let us avoid calling each other names, but let us try and find a solution which sizokwenza kanjani uma sizinkinga.
All right. Sure. So namhlanje nje uzovuka umdavazo wena Thabile.
Unfortunately,
good.
But yes, but
no.
Next time.
Yeah, then ungamcela ukuthi alaleleke le conversation. At least wena usungamtshela ukuthi I know lento yethu iyasebenza and ikhamba ngakho, but we appreciate your call. Thank you so much. All right, isho yethu siyaphela manje. Dr. Shabalala, thank you for enlightening us with empowering knowledge. Athinike ama contact details ka Dr. Shabalala.
Alex, it's always a pleasure uba nomndeni. Number ntholakala kuyona ucingo ithi 063 847 0511 ngizoyiphinda 063 847 0511. Yaso office yana ithi 031 065 0226 031 065 0226. Ungashaya ucingo uzozongibona ema-office ami ango-9 Dorothy Nyembe in Central. Ngiyatholakala na Facebook and TikTok as Dr. Shabalala. Ngiyabonga Alex.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ushabalala. All right, catch this show. Podcast yakhona uzoyithola ku-app yaGagasi and khona ne-video as well. Mangabe uye nje ku-YouTube ufike usearch under Gagasi Indaba uzoyithola this show. And in fact, musungene phakathi ku-app yaGagasi usearch for i-audio podcast uyakwazi ukuthi uyithole i-video. Have to thank you. Please keep the topics coming. indaba@gagasi995.co.za. Thanks to you and most importantly, thanks to the production team, Mr. Wanda Zungu, technical producer. And Mr. Spelele Nzuza, content and technical digital producer.